Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the photos not showing when uploading an Instagram story. So in here, if you want to upload a story by clicking on the plus icon in here, usually there will be this preview the photo that you want to upload like this in here. But if you cannot see the photo like it's black or it's blank, this is how you can fix it. So first you can just go to the home screen or go back. You can just go to the settings on your phone and then just scroll down until you find this app settings. Then just find the Instagram app settings. So you can see this is the recently opened app. So I'm going to go with Instagram, and this is the app info on my Instagram. So what you need to do is click on storage and cache, and then try to clear the cache. So it might be because there are some errors on your Instagram because there are too much cache files, so you need to clear that up. And if that problem isn't solved, you can try to force stop the Instagram first. So click on the force stop, click on OK, and you can start to reopen the Instagram app again and see if the problem is fixed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.